Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Today I'm going to review the Fiio JadeAudio JD3 IEMs. I'm going to show you now what you get in the box, and then I'm going to come straight back and talk about sound quality and who these are for. So let's take a look at what you get. This is the Fiio JD3. It's part of their JadeAudio brand. On the back, does it give you any information? No, it doesn't. It does give you an authentication sticker. This lifts off like so. This is very simple packaging. So what do we get? Well, we get some different sized ear tips, which is quite handy. We get the IEM itself. Let's just take that out. Now, I have put these back in the box just to give you an authentic unboxing experience, just so you can see what it's like, but I have been listening to these extensively. You get a nice little Velcro tie here. You can see the connector. It's really handy. I like this cable, it's really nice. Take this off a second. Very nice cable, doesn't seem to get too tangled up, which is nice. You can see how it divides here, and it has the Fiio branding, but say this is part of their sub-brand JadeAudio. It has plus and minus, and I can assure you that works really well. And it has a mic built in there. And then you actually have the units themselves, the sort of bullet style. And you can see here that that's red for the right side and blue for the left. I absolutely love that. I think that's really neat. So let's talk about sound quality. Right. And you've seen what was in the box. Not a lot. Doesn't need a lot because it is priced at an unbelievable £24, or round about the same if in dollars or euros. They are very competitively priced. And I've seen other reviews on this, but I don't think people understand who these headphones are for and why they are so amazing for that particular class of person that wants a particular sound. So the thing about these is it's part of, this is Fiio's JadeAudio sub-brand, and JadeAudio is about fun. It's a fun headphone. So these are not for clinically listening of music. They're not a studio type of headphone. They are a absolute blast fun headphone. So you will not be listening to classical, you will not be listening to jazz or blues. You will be listening to stuff with a beat in it that thumps away. Dance music, house music, electronic music, trance, you name it, that type of music. And the bass on these is phenomenal, and it's hard impacting deep bass. I love it. Absolutely astonishing stuff. So much so that for certain stuff that I listen to all types of music, I just love what these do with that type of music. Absolutely a blast. But I said, if you want classical, these are not the ones for you. Why is it no good with stuff like classical and that sort of stuff? Because it mutes the treble. The treble's a bit muted. Same with the mids, because the bass is so impactful. But when you have that type of music, the treble's fine. It's absolutely on the money, as is the mids, because you need that thump. It's as if you're in a club and your head's shaking with the amount of bass. Good job, Fiio, on these. Really good job. And at this price, if you like those genres of music or that type of genre, you cannot go wrong. You might have some questions. Ask me below. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care, guys. Bye for now.